Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about JustPay, which is currently hiring for software engineering backend interns from the 2025 and the 2026 batch. JustPay will be offering you a stipend of 40 to 50k, and you will also be having the opportunity to convert this to a PPO or a full-time offer. So if you are interested to get into this job role at JustPay, then watch this video till the end to know all about the process. Moving on to the hiring process that JustPay follows for this role, they will be starting off with an online coding assessment at the D2C platform. This coding assessment will be spanning over a time period of 1.5 hours, and you will be asked to solve 3 DSA questions, medium to hard level, mostly graph-based DSA questions, and try to solve as many test cases as you can in this round, right? Now, if you get shortlisted from the first round, you will have to sit for a second coding assessment, which will be happening over the Hacker Earth platform, and here you will be getting a time of 3 hours to solve the questions. Again, they will be medium to hard level DSA, 2 DSA questions in this round. So once you get shortlisted from your second coding round, we will be moving forward to the third coding assessment, which will be happening over again the D2C platform. You will be given 1.5 hours to solve 3 DSA questions. So this is the end of your DSA online coding assessments. Once you get shortlisted from the third coding assessment, you'll be asked to join for the Learnathon round, which is the round 4. So in this round, you'll be asked to join a Slack channel. You will be assigned a buddy to help you solve the questions. So there will be 2 questions asked, broken up into multiple sections. You will be asked questions on API testing. You will have to show you're working in the Postman app. So make sure, if you are not aware of how to use Postman, go through their documentation, test some APIs using Postman, get familiarized with it. So once you get through the Learnathon round, which is the round 4, you will be moving forward to the final HR round. So in this HR round, you will be asked some questions on say the edge cases that you had, on your questions that you had in your project of your Learnathon round. So yes, go through the project, go through the APIs that you tested on Postman, because you'll be asked questions on that. And you will also be asked questions on the projects that you have mentioned in your resume. So make sure that your apps or your websites are up and running. You can show a demo, you can answer any questions on the tech stacks that you have used, especially the tech stacks that you have used in the backend, right? We'll also be asked some general questions like whether you like traveling, whether you have any questions for JustPay. So make sure you are prepared with questions, because they do judge on this. So this is the last round of your hiring process for the backend intern role at JustPay. These are the 5 rounds that you'll have to sit for. So go ahead and apply if you're interested in this role. I have attached the application link in the description of this video. Go ahead, apply before the link expires. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post regularly, especially on internship and job roles that are for college students. So please subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.